Enabling two-factor authentication on your Swiggy account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tab on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located at the bottom or top of the screen. Look for Account Settings or Settings in the menu. Step 3. Select Security Settings. Within the account settings, find and select Security Settings or Privacy. This section contains options related to your account's security features. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-factor Authentication or 2FA. Toggle the switch to enable it. You may be prompted to enter your password for verification. Step 5. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as SMS or an authenticator app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup, including verifying your phone number if necessary. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your Swiggy account, enhancing your security. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure.